Maybe it's just hormones.
Hey, Mikey!
Where you at, Mike?
Where'd you go, man?
I'll tell you what, I think we're going to
still
let him
there?
cool off. Maybe he'll do another one.
Ow!
In the meantime, Bob was 1-0 cranking the music.
Damn it, the sticker came off.
Damn, that was good. That rubber's hot.
I bet you get something to burn your leg, did you?
Oh, I could just feel it coming on.
You alright?
Oh yeah, it's just like.
Okay, I'd like to introduce two more members of the group.
I gotta look at that tire.
Yeah, get a close up.
On drums. Okay, and also, just for the record, Paul.
That was a new tire when he started.
Yeah, tag was still on it even.
Sure it was new, wasn't it?
Okay, this next song's by Jonathan Quinn. It's called Be Moving.
Yeah, they didn't even peel the tag off.